Amugami too, under the APC. Dito to Dubai, under the Bahina na ang gano'n. Sen Pema, Ewa kausan tikrai, ulo agaga, pininin ko sa mata.
Ma'am, sir, dito po. Dito muna.
Wala ka sa mga video. Just, create a Google Doc. Hindi ka dun sa'yo. Doon nakalagay yun. Hindi ko ma-airdrop sa iyo. Pag naka-ano. So, create ko lang ako ng Google Doc. Google? Drive. Ito ka, Butso. Han, ito sa tabi mo. Magandang hapon and welcome po dito sa Sagada Pottery. Ako si Sigrid, isang manggagawa dito. This workshop was set up in 2000 by Archie Stapleton. He is a son of a missionary who grew up here in the 1960s. He saw the potential of the local clay, tsaka yung local soil for pottery. That's why he set this up as an alternative livelihood for the community. Pottery has three kinds. Merong earthenware, stoneware, tsaka porcelain. Ang earthenware po ay low-fired. Yun yung mga paso-paso, mga lutuan na ginagawa sa vegan. Stoneware and porcelain are high-fired. We specialize in stoneware. We fire 2,350 degrees. Around Sagada, we get the clay, test it at that temperature. If it's good, we get it in bulk, soak it in water. We sieve it until it goes through 40 mesh. Pag lumabas sa 40 mesh, it's very watery. We have to drip dry for 3 to 4 months. We age it for at least 3 weeks. Ganito ang itsura niya. Hindi pupulutin doon at pwede na dito. Kailangang i-test at i-proseso kasi hindi lahat ng lupa ay clay. Hindi po lahat ng clay ay pwede. Now, I'll show you the making of the pot with a demo fee of 400 for the whole group. Tapos kung may mag-try, 100 per head. Is that okay po? First, I have to center the clay. In order to center, you need the speed of the wheel, tsaka pressure ng kamay. Once it's centered, everything starts with a cylinder. To make a cylinder, I have to pull the clay from the bottom to the top gradually. I'm pulling the clay with both pressure from my left and right, going with the speed of the wheel to maintain the centerness. My hand should be the one controlling the clay, not the clay controlling my hands, to keep the shape for it not to collapse. This is a very basic shape from here. You can make a jar, a bowl, or different shapes. At this point, there's more pressure.
Hindi nakidnap ng nanonood ako ng vlog marami. Yaway, sino po ang first timer sa Sagada rin?
Halos lahat.
Welcome po sa Sagada. Ayan. Welcome po sa Subaking Cave. Bali ito po yung cave na napusukin natin. So ang tsura po ng cave is in a vertical position. So probably we will be all be going down. While recipe lang din. No? Si Mauna. May ilaw ako eh.
Sila ate.
Mauna daw. Okay. Sige, dahan-dahan lang po. Okay. Okay, so dito po, madudulas na po yung mga bato. Kaya mag-ingat-ingat po tayo. Sige, madam. Go ahead. Hawak sa bato, hawak sa bato. Sir, madulas ako rito ha. Baka sabihin po ninyo, tsamba pagka ano kayo nag-slide. Dahan-dahan lang ho, dahan-dahan lang. Hawak pa lang, hawak pa lang, maigit.
Sige, dyan muna. Pause. Sige, sir.
Salamat po sa ulitin. Sige, madam.
Ang dilim. Katakot.
Ingatan pa ninyo si Sir Kevin at birthday niya ngayon ha. Birthday pala niya no. Si Sir Kevin po pala, birthday niya ngayon. Nagkataon, ito naman pa kayo may birthday. Yun o. It's a prank! Ngayon yung malalaman kung tama pa yung naging decision nyo sa buhay.
Parang gusto ko nang bumalik, sir eh.
Yung magbabakada po, trip yung babayaran eh.
Tama. Eh, tuloy na lang. Nanginginig yung tuhod ko.
Happy birthday! Sa amin ang inuman, sa amin ang urukan, happy birthday! Sige lang madam, matuto kang humawak para di kang pag-iwanan. Laban na yan. Kahit nakapaa sir, madulas pa rin yan. Di ba yung gusto mo sir, yung madulas na cave? Okay! Ulo sir, ulo. Okay, sunod! Ulo. Next. Up. Yes. Ulo. Yes.
Charge mo yung pagdating. 2014. 2014.
Central Sagada. On the outskirts of Sagada, they also have their own public cemetery.
Hanging coffins. Wait lang. I-video muna ako.
Sige, picture lang.
Wait lang.
Picture mo na tao bago natin sabihin mo ito.
Ulit yung pagod.
Baka masarap paglakad-lakad si limestones.
Hindi niya natandaan. Hindi niya natandaan.
Na.
Di pa ako inaano.